Hi. As you might imagine, we get a lot of boxes here. People ship us equipment to be repaired, and they come in all manner of boxes. Most of the time they're used boxes. You know, everybody's got a garage full of Amazon boxes from stuff they ordered and packing material. So boxes are boxes, and we get all different kinds of boxes in. So last Thursday, I think it was, we had a bunch of boxes delivered to us, and we have to sort through them and figure out whose is what and what's in them. And one of the things that happens when you get boxes in with things that you figure are for repair, they kind of get the shake test. Like that. Because things come in damaged sometimes, and because they're not packaged well or whatever. And when you hear a box that sounds like this, you kind of wonder, because obviously it's not packed very securely inside. That's never good. This box, we didn't know what was in it, and actually, to be honest with everybody, this has already been opened once before, because that's what we do here. So we'll go ahead and open it up again. And when I open it up, surprisingly enough, and I figured it was going to be a NuTone door chime because it's kind of a door chime sizey box. It's too small for Intercom. When I opened it up, it had some bubble air packs. And what I found inside wasn't a doorbell at all. It's a gift basket. And I thought, well, that's kind of weird. Who sent me a gift basket? And then Cindy says, well, what's the thing with the label on the other side of the box, which I frankly didn't really notice or pay a lot of attention to. Put that out of the way. So there's this fancy shipping label-y thing here on this side, and it says pull tab, and we have to take this sticker off because it's kind of in the way. And I guess what you're supposed to do is you hold this somehow like this. And then it says greeting card inside envelope. So if you reach inside, there is indeed a greeting card. And I thought, well, that's kind of interesting. Why did I get this? Now, I figured it could have been a promotion from some manufacturer or maybe a vendor that we use or something like that. A very special greeting card just for you. Gourmet gift baskets. Only the best gourmet gifts. And when I open it up inside, it's from a fellow named Drew. It says, "Hi Chris, thank you so much for taking time to help me with my Nest, Hello, and M&S intercom. So far it's working perfectly and the house isn't on fire yet. Much appreciated, Drew." And Drew is a fella I don't think I've ever actually talked to. He sent me an email a few weeks ago, and he was having a problem with the installation of his Nest Hello and his M&S intercom, and we get a lot of phone calls like that. And maybe I did talk to him on the phone, and maybe it was just email. I honestly didn't go back and look. Apparently I helped him out sufficiently, and he was able to get it all hooked up. I think he was the guy that I encourage, make a drawing, plan your project out, do it in a professional sort of way, and work through all the steps before you actually do the installation so that it'll be easier and you have a better chance that it'll be working. And apparently that's what he did. I think he sent me a diagram of how he was going to wire it all up to have me check it out, and I did, and it seemed fine, and I gave him some advice, and you know, it was back and forth mostly on emails, and maybe I talked to him on the phone once, not sure. So what do we have here? We have a jazzy gift basket. It's got a nice blue bow on it. I like the blue bow because NuTone's color used to be blue. NuTone was always blue, and that got co-opted here with the current ownership, and they stole the color for their company. But anyway, I like the blue bow, and if we open this up, let's see what we have inside. Because everybody likes gift baskets. You know, there's always one thing in here that you like the most, that everybody wants. It's in a nice wooden box, so I'll have to find a use for that. And what do we have? See? We have some smoked Gouda cheese. We have some cheese straws from the Mississippi Cheese Straw Factory in Mississippi, I would assume. We have some chocolate wafer bites. We have some sea salt caramel cookie straws. We got a sack of blueberry pomegranate clusters. That sounds pretty jazzy. We've got some almond cashew with pumpkin seed clusters. I've got Bird's Famous Cookies, peanut butter and chocolate chip. See, your mouth is watering already. I've got some Hearty Artisan Stone Wheat crackers. I got some pretzel twist classic minis. Everybody likes classic. And we've got cinnamon and brown sugar kettle corn. Okay, so this is all very nice, and the box is very nice. It's a nice little presentation, and it was actually a really nice and thoughtful gift. And frankly, this is how you should thank your authorized NuTone Service Center owner when he helps you out. That's all I have to say. Drew has now set the benchmark for thanking someone for the help that they gave them with their NuTone intercom, or in this case an M&S intercom, and a Nest Hello video door camera. So good on you, Drew. Thumbs up for you, because apparently you were raised correctly and you know how to properly thank someone for the help that they gave you. I'm not saying that everybody has to do that, but the rest of you can just think on it a little bit. That's all for today. See you on the next video.